Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to do a really interesting question. We are going to reverse words, okay, that to in place. So let's say you have written I love my India, right? So this is going to reverse obviously I is a single letter, so it won't have any impact. This love is going to reverse at its own place. My is going to reverse at its own place, and India is going to be reverse at its own place, okay? So the order will be same of the words, but they will be reversed at their own place. So we are going to reuse this method that we have written in our last program, right? That is reverse string. How we are going to reuse it? Let me show you. So let me just create that method reverse words. Okay, this is going to return a string only. It is taking a string sentence. Okay, now I'm taking a string builder again for a result because this is not immutable. It won't create any new object upon its modification. So now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to take all the strings. We are supposed to create a string array. That means we want to take all of these string and hold them in a string array. How we can do that? Words, so sentence dot split, and how we are going to split the sentence? Through space, because we have space after each of the string. So that's how it is going to split it. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to run a loop for each of the string, for each of the word in this words array. What you're supposed to do, result dot append one space and then dot append reverse string that particular word. Okay, now after this loop is completed, right, this for each loop we will have the reverse. All of these strings will be reversed individually at their own place, and we'll have a space in between them. And what else we can do, we will have the some trailing spaces. How do we remove those? So result dot to string dot trim. Now we are supposed to get our required answer. Let's try to run the program and see if you are getting the required answer or not. Okay, I love in reverse order, my in reverse order, and India in reverse order. So I love my India. You see, we are able to get the whole string, whole sentence in reverse order, that too in place. We haven't changed their order, but we have reversed them at their own place. So that's what I was trying to show you, and why I have used this trim method. If I don't use it and try running, you see we'll be getting one extra space there in the beginning. Okay, we don't want to get this particular space, we want to remove it. That's the reason I have used the method trim there. So that's how you reverse words in a sentence in place. Okay, next video we'll be understanding about the rotations of the string. Okay, you can practice this implementation, which is reusing the reverse string method. And see you in the next one. May the source be with you.